Intermittent catheterization is a medical procedure where a thin, flexible tube, a catheter, is temporarily inserted into the bladder through the urethra to drain urine. The catheter is removed once the bladder is emptied. This procedure may need to be performed several times throughout the day. The indications for intermittent catheterization are the items you'll need are Nelaton catheter size 10, water-based lubricating gel tube, measuring jug with milliliter markings, mirror, and a clean container. This is optional. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly. Open the catheter carefully without contaminating the tubing. Lubricate the catheter 2 inches from the tip of the catheter and place it in the clean container. Wash the genital area with soap and water. Perform hand hygiene. Position yourself in the most comfortable sitting or lying position that is convenient for you. Step 2. Insertion. Part the labia with the index and middle fingers of your non-dominant hand with the aid of a mirror. Slowly insert the lubricated catheter into the urethra opening until urine is seen flowing out. Lower the angle of the catheter to drain the urine into the toilet bowl or container. Step 3. Completion. Withdraw the catheter slowly when the urine stops flowing and wipe your genital area with tissue. Wash your hands after the procedure. If instructed, measure and record the amount of urine using the measuring jug. Here are some things to note. Here is what to do if you encounter any difficulties. Always follow the catheterization schedule prescribed by the doctors. Contact us immediately if you experience the following. If you encounter any difficulties or issues, please contact the SKH Hotline to make an appointment for an outpatient review.